When it comes to camper vans, there are countless options, each with its own unique twist. But today, we're diving into something truly special, a budget-friendly camper van that boasts a refreshingly clever design and a unique layout. Built on a 2024 Transit L2H2 with a diesel engine, this tiny home on wheels was created by R Woodworking, a company based in Mexico that specializes in crafting mobile homes. The best part? This remarkable conversion came in at under $10,000, making it one of the most affordable and practical van builds we've seen. Most people opting for a camper van conversion choose the largest versions of vehicles like the Ford Transit, but our Woodworking took a different approach. They used the smallest model, a 2024 Transit L2H2, with a 129-inch wheelbase and a height of just 92 inches. Despite being compact, this van offers incredible functionality, and you'll soon see how. On the outside, there's not much to suggest that this vehicle is a home on wheels. There's a MaxxAir Deluxe vent fan and a roof rack with two 330-watt solar panels. What makes this rack unique is its two-level design. One level features a sliding system. When parked, the user can extend the second solar panel, exposing it to more sunlight with just the push of a button. A simple yet effective way to maximize energy efficiency while camping. But perhaps the most obvious clue that this is a camper van is the awning-style window on the driver's side. It's a subtle yet practical design choice that provides additional ventilation and light. Now, let's take a look inside to see how our Woodworking made the most out of the available space. Unlike minivan conversions that leave the driver's cabin open to the living area, this one is separated by a wall. While this design choice does make the living space feel a bit smaller, it brings a welcome sense of privacy, almost like a very tiny studio apartment. The only modification to the driver's cabin is the addition of a digital rear-view camera that also functions as a dash cam for both the front and back of the vehicle. The living space, however, is where the magic truly happens. The design features black and gray textile walls and ceiling paired with white cabinetry and wooden accents. It creates a modern yet cozy environment that's perfect for van life. Directly in front of the entrance is a decently sized fridge with a separate freezer compartment. Above the fridge is a countertop with integrated controls for the van's utilities, including the inverter controller, light switches, water pump, and various plugs. Opposite the fridge is the kitchen area, which includes a single-burner induction stovetop and a small, deep sink with a flexible faucet that can be pulled outside. Storage is abundant with 5 drawers, several cabinets, and overhead storage spaces secured with bungee cords. There's even a sizable headliner shelf to store additional items. Now, let's talk about the bedroom, which takes up the remaining space in the van. This build features a Murphy bed, one of the most space-efficient designs you can have in a camper van. The bed's frame integrates 3 panels that can be folded down and supported by legs. These panels double as tiny benches and a table, transforming into a comfortable dinette for 2. The bed itself is large enough for a double-sized mattress and features a sturdy 80/20 aluminum structure for durability. Setting up the bed also reveals a large window on the driver's side of the van, which can be covered with a blackout shade or a bug screen for extra comfort. For ventilation, our Woodworking added a magnetic bug screen on the rear opening of the van, allowing you to keep the rear doors open while camping without worrying about insects. For those hotter days, the van comes equipped with a 5,000 BTU air conditioning unit beneath the fridge, while 5,000 BTU heater ensures you stay warm on chilly nights. As for the essential utilities, this van boasts a 370 AG battery paired with a 1,500W inverter. It also has a 140-liter freshwater tank with a water pump, providing you with everything you need for off-grid living. This compact camper van by R Woodworking proves that with a bit of creativity, you could design a fully functional home on wheels without breaking the bank. With a price tag under $10,000, this tiny home is an affordable option for those looking to embrace van life in a practical, budget-friendly way.